Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
the 2023 RAV4 Prime. The Toyota RAV4 Prime offers high-end hybrid technology with the SUV platform. With the technology, space, and overall good looks, it's no surprise this hybrid SUV is turning heads. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.